All right, so I'm going to do a live, well, I'm taping this, so a taped live unboxing. I just got a message from a dear old friend from the ECW days as well as the Liberty All-Star Wrestling days, Mr. Tom Misnik, who's been, our friendship has rekindled after many, many years, like 20 years actually. Tom was the person who really brought the internet, because that was the thing that was just starting to happen during those days of ECW in the mid 90s. And he was the one on the ball with it, and he was the person behind the CyberSlam conventions and things like that. And when ECW had closed up, we had already had a friendship, and he was starting to dabble a little bit and doing some things for Liberty All-Star Wrestling, and then he was full on board with Liberty All-Star Wrestling. So now with all the chewing the fat, as well as the reacting chills with Chubby Dudley, we're in contact again. So we're talking a lot, and we really haven't talked in 20 years. So that's, regardless, amazing, because Tom's an amazing person, and he helped me so much, and I'll be forever indebted to him. But he said to me the other day, he said, I want to send you something, can I have your address? And he just messaged me and goes, have you checked your mail? I got the notification that it was delivered. So I have the box here, I just opened it, and I have a happy birthday card from Tom. Happy birthday. Celebrate. And to me, every day is my birthday. Too much of a good thing is often a great thing. Enjoy your day. Happy birthday, Bay, from Tom. Thank you, Tom. Oh. We're going to get ready for the invasion of Wawa into... Oh my God. We're getting ready for the invasion of Wawa into Nashville. But... oh my God, I might cry. I'm going to cry. So, as many of you people know, going back to ECW and then Liberty All-Star Wrestling, Bob Ortiz was a important person for both federations. And what Bob used to do was he would get hats made up with the federation letters. He would get like a half dozen for each show. And then he would, before each show, he would have the guys sign it. And this is one of the hats from one of the Liberty All-Star Wrestling shows. And some of these people, I haven't talked to in a while, and some of them are no longer with us. Lucky Larry. Wow. I even signed it. Bear Agnew. I'm going to run down the names. Tom, seriously, thank you so much. Glenn Osborne, Dr. Ruthless, Lily, who is actually Missy Sampson, Diablos Macabre, Johnny Cashmere. That name I don't know. It might be Mike Keener. Rapid Fire Maldonado. The Irish Leprechaun. This was from the Lounge Lizard, Nikki Benz. So this was from the show at 4th and Lombard. The White Lotus, Cujo, Rebel, Chris Kruger, Patch, I can't make out that name, Iggy Rose, I can't make out that name. James Proper. Taylor, what was her name? Taylor Matheny. Was she the winner or no? She was second place in WWE's Tough Enough, the first season. I had brought her in for a show. I can't make out that name. Hammerjack. I don't remember. No offense, don't remember. I don't remember this name either. Something Perry. I don't know. Yeah. Some of the names I can't make out. I'm sorry. Wow. I wish I could make all the names out. You people got some horrible handwriting. Like I'm one to talk. Tom, you didn't sign it. You should have signed this hat. This is amazing. Seriously. A lot of memories. A lot of good memories here. This hat's from 2001? 2000? Thank you. Seriously.